This conference will now be recorded.
So now I'm going to show one debugging tip for you. It may be helpful for whether wrappers or functions. That is, sometimes maybe due to an incorrect entry in the database table or some table, if you try to access a table without having a maintenance view, we are not able to create or edit or delete a database record. So in these cases, we can use this debugging trick. So for example, I will take one database table. So go to SC16, and I'll take Mara as an example. Go to Mara, execute. And so now here you can see some of entries are not having date. For example, material number 15. So now I want to add some date for this material. So what you can do is just select this line, click on display. You can see this line item. So go to command prompt and switch on the debugger. Just /h. We know already about this. Click on enter. A debugger will get switched on. Now click on enter for twice, back to back. Then it will enter into debugging mode. Let me switch on the new debugger. So now it will take us to debugging mode. And inside this debugger, see here you can see at cursor, if code is equal to show. Just double click on this code. The value of code is now show. Now my intention is to add a value for a particular field. So what I can do is I can edit this to, I just click on this edit button, from show to edit. Click on enter. Change the value of code from show to edit. Then click on execute. Now you can see all the values got editable mode. Previously it was in disable mode. Now you can see all these values are on editable mode. So I want to assign some date for this ERSDA field. So let me pick some date, some 14/7/2020. So previously for material number 15, for ERSDA field there is no value. Now I am assigning some value like 14/7/2020. Click on save. Or does not exist. These all things belongs to purely functional. Okay, save, go back. Now go back, execute. So now you can see for material number 15, we assigned a new date called 14/7/2020. Previously it was empty. So due to some error or sometimes you may give some incorrect entry while trying to add a value for any field in the database table. At that situations, you can use this type of debugging tip. Okay, so see you in next video with some other topic.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.